Hello Saints. In this video, we will go over how to create a Serving Ones account to help with taking attendance. Okay, so this function is only available for those who have a district account or a locality account. Now, to create a Serving Ones account, you log in to your account and then you just go to the sidebar, and then under account here you will see Serving Ones, and then you just add a Serving One, and also you will see everyone who's already taking attendance for your district under this Serving Ones option here. Okay, but anyway, to create a Serving Ones account, you just add Serving One, and you need to select attendee. So only those who have already been inputted into the system can be selected as a Serving One. If they've never been to a meeting, then they're probably not in the system. Then you need to go back and create a new profile for them. But in most cases, you'd be selecting saints who are already meeting to be your Serving One. Okay, so you can search for them through this filter system. Okay, clicking the boxes. In my case, I want someone from Island East District. I want a saint. Okay, and then oh, there we go, Jenny Chu. Or of course I could have just typed in her name if I knew exactly who I want to assign as a Serving One. Okay, so then I click into her name, and then here you need to create a username and a password for her so that she can log into her account. So normally something simple. You can do either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as numbers for her for password, or anything that's simple, her name. She can change this herself once she logs into her account. And then you can select the role that she's responsible for. So if you select her as locality admin, then of course she'd be responsible for a very big role. The church, each church has only a few locality admins. So in this case, I would only want her to be just a meeting Serving One, so someone who can take attendance for meetings. And then you select the meeting that you want her to take attendance for. Okay, I want her to take attendance for Island East District, and just a small group meeting. Okay, so then here are a list of all the meetings, and I want her to take attendance for this one, the YP meeting. Okay, then finish selection. All right, and then complete. And she can also take attendance for more than just one meeting, so you just check the boxes that you want her to be responsible for right here. Okay, and then finish selection, and then you can write complete. There are two options here. The default option is the basic right, where she would have the right to take attendance for the meeting and also to record baptism. But you can also add in another option where she can go in and edit and change people's details, like personal info, such as adding a contact phone number or an email address. Okay, in my case, I just want her to take attendance for meetings. And so then you finish, complete. Okay, and then she would be added into this list here, Jenny Chu, and there you go. Okay, now you can find her as one of your Serving Ones. And of course, if you ever need to delete a Serving One, you can just do that by clicking on the X. Okay, and then it'll delete her account. Okay, If you have any questions about how to add a Serving One account, feel free to contact the system admin. Okay, thank you, Saints.